Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you guys a step-by-step guide on how to create this blurry glass effect in Canva. So, to start things off, we're gonna have to make a new project on Canva. For the purposes of this video, I'm gonna select the Instagram post project template. So just click on the Instagram post, and then we'll have a blank canvas as shown here. Once we're in the Canva editor, we're going to select the photo that we want to use for the background of this design. So you can either upload a photo using the upload section, or you could use a photo available in the Canva library. If you're on a free Canva account, make sure to go for the photos without the pro label. So for the background of my project, I'm gonna search for C. And I think I'm gonna go with this one for my design. And I'm simply going to drag it into the blank canvas to make it the background of this empty page. I'll bring the photo one more time so we can have another one in the background and one on top. Then we're going to go to the elements. We're going to select a frame that's going to act as the blurry glass. So in the element section, just go down until you see the frames area. Select this arrow and then select this frame. We're going to increase the size of this frame and then drag the photo into the frame. So once you have the photo inside the frame of your choice, just double click it and feel free to stretch it until it matches the image behind. Try matching the upper and lower horizontal lines to the background image. Simply drag one corner up and one corner down. Then select Done. We're going to go to Edit Image and then adjust to select See All. Now we're going to move the blur slider to the right. Feel free to move the slider to whatever seems most comfortable for yourself. And then the next step is to duplicate the frame. So check the upper toolbar and select Duplicate. Next, we're going to choose the color option. And let's go with this color. Then in this portion of the toolbar, look for Position and click on Center then Middle. We're also going to add some transparency to this new frame. Next up is to add the elements that'll go on top of this blurry glass. We're going to go back to Elements then, and then select a frame like this one for our profile picture. Just position the circle somewhere here where we're going to add our own photo anyway. So simply look at your uploaded photos, I have mine here already, and drag and drop it into the frame to make our profile photo. Then we can just add some text boxes by pressing T. I'm gonna use these text boxes for my account. So I'm gonna write Tutorialboxx. Then I'm gonna change this one to this font, and even change the size to whatever I wish. We can also duplicate these text boxes and use a different font for another one. Let's just add our handle here. Just doing some cleaning and it should look something like this. We can also change the size of this text box so it's easy to read. And then click on the three dots on the upper right corner. And we can use a text box instead of a shape. Remember, it's really easy and free-flowing to change any element found on your Canva project. Feel free to as well change the transparency by moving the slider to the left or right like so. Remember, take your time positioning all the elements found for this blurry glass effect on your Canva project. And then, once you're happy with your final result, don't forget to download and save your image. Do this by going to Share on the upper right corner of the screen, and then clicking on Download. Feel free to choose any file type that works for you, and go ahead and save your work. And that's really all there is to using and creating a Canva blurry glass effect. If you have any questions or inquiries with the steps shown in this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.